ene kamenya na kamenya will be our financial guru. Na me I hope sen kananka Charles wa. Charles Mensa. Na kamebisa no. Aw how ni atete a. Omo omo do musika. Akosu sika krabie. Ene krabie for no omusuban bia ene amra anye yintino ya tutututum na omuso musika eda ho no omunhunu de yede ye wo mo because se woka kire me se
Asempa FM
se me 100,000 na me de wo sika krabia ho na aka chem se obema me only 10,000 na wunim de time balance na aka no wo de bema me a anasa untimi nkanya je bia bosumi bia mema 10,000 kopese metue wie se ne ebe ya ebe ma me soso se bosia na me kwa akobo a matimi aka che oba cross e bo mo bosia 5,000 na every month bia no meje me 10,000 a my brother 5,000 enra nkofo bi call demonstration Gold Coast security for take from refi or say we call Asempa 94 Facebook we call like ya no wa share and also Kofi Capital me personal Facebook na also call wuti me like ya no wa share na ye read o comment na ma na de me bi san say oye kire na omo ye no yes eye se omo kire say enema edidi omo no eya oha oni atete na de me kan say nti say no edie na Bank of Ghana where they make kasa aban Bank of Ghana e ka kire wo mo because minimum say sika any bank isem no account to be your honoma say a check and also me try check when I write a check it is on demand me try no me try ya no skakra me se me gia no ebi wo ha o so de mame na dey say no oma omu di atete ebi wo ho ma was in 10,000 and e da ho obi se 5,000 obi se 100,000 minimum obi ni sika da ho almost 600,000 now ko ka kire ni say o ma ne 10,000
Asempa FM
na wonim ada anase mra ubetimi ni sika aka ma na ne balance aka ma na oni ni ani ye enu ato mitie papa kwesi ndum edwuma wura wo se ma ni mfie miensa na obi ansa beka ni sika na se mfie miensa na antumi na se mi wu e meye den mfie miensa na antumi na mi wu a meye den Ghana here din sem bi di agro me say Bank of Ghana regulator no o me pass Asempa te say Asempa FM no kan kire Ghana for ni ehu say fine me de menka o ma o mo koye o mo niam nketenkete bi no nketenkete sa kata hyehyɛ sika spare by heart ne de enya ho na meka o ma o mo normal ebi kura ho no ma yes bank bi kura atake over enso wo kono say wo kwaji usika yenima mra de be ma wo yenima mra de be ma wo enkofo ko your friend say sa consolidated bank na obi ani sika ye consolidated from baby ana ono no ye adwuma ana ye bank o ye say nya bank baby ani sika da ye bank ye de ba ha no no wo kono say kwa kwaji usika yesi ye niska yesi twen na sa same way there ya tete o ya tete papa because enkrofo musika da ho a omun sanka musika ebi di bi pay school fees ebi di bi pay bi atua hospital ka obi di pay bi di akoso na dwuma so obi di pay bi e di akoma ne ba bi akoma ne nana bi ne suwa bi ne wofa bi yesi sika no wokwa yesi bi ni ho nana ya ka say aban
Asempa FM
a guarantee a true Bank of Ghana a guarantee say sika no a time bia metro check bia no e wo say ye di mi sika mame Bruni Bessie, the check should be honored as long as there's money in the account. Unless I'll catch him just cano, I don't have any money in the account. And idiot, I cannot withdraw the money. But the condition, any the stater, some of these depositors, Communo, ATT, Bank of Ghana for Ghana happen Asamoba, Nayama and Samaya Basa. Supervision department now. Omuni former and current directors are no more supervision department one. Almost almost any high. Emma banks ni bi eye niema ense a emfata no omode na de ye wo me bisa mentese ya kase ya chief supervision director bia ye do obi akotum ya kwaji ni sika because ono ye ani han ema sankofo dodo ye sika enwa ye ba sai aba meka oma omudu musika koto proper regulated banking or financial institutions. Men come mo koye mo underground business. Underground for there mo amasema. But me can dia ban anyone who dia ban amane krata. Dia ban ka che ni say office ke bi meto. Se ne be ya asemo ba ye betimi dey tuan krofo ka no. O ma asem na meka. Say no de mibisa ne say nipa dodo na enya gokos securities nkwa
Asempa FM
bebre Bridge Capital Ideal Finance Capital Bank back when Heritage Bank and these are banks so a bank Royal Bank. And the law of banking is say maybe a depositor at any given time may try me checker. The check should be honored as long as there's money in my account. And I don't understand why. They should have a class action suit. Almost so mukabum. Normally Bank of Ghana a court. Court says other than Bank of Ghana yesika because amra what banking. And ya Ghana hankwa ewiase ba bia ubeti pa be chose wo srebe e bia wonya ma me sesi na emom menye dodo na me say oya se wote aban ka aban okase wo utua okase tua dodo okase tua dodo na wo de meka na mbagye misika wo se wo de mema akitu abi na we eyefe I beg to differ. The governor of Bank of Ghana come and tell the deposit something better. Because especially Capital Bank, Heritage Bank, Construction Bank, back when I find me brother page bank, Unibank, they are banks, so they are not some kululu under the table businesses. And it's a more supervision department. And I'm sure ye. And no more ye na. Me have this got to order. If I'm obey. Me the family obey. Me the me some mammy awo. No si be nwa no. I quite fast o ye there. If I'm obey.
Asempa FM.
Mesre. Mommy and share. Na sa banks do na. Me ka banks no. Omo musika da hono no. Emra say e what say what tro checker. Ye ni sika mano. Na mon pass and papa and can chire omo 0302 216 545 0302 216 546 0302 216 546 0302 216 545 sa same way Governor of Bank of Ghana be pen wa sem papa bika. Hello Pacho the radio no kakra wai
me bro.
Yes, sir. Me patron e kase.
Bank ni usta.
Ai patron kase bi.
Me kasa.
Meet you.
Ya dia me ha ya pa. Isa say. Obi o no ma. Wo ti adwuma no skadi nkwa na aka no. Ama enkofo ho kyere no man mu. ya papa wɔyɛ adwuma no paa nanso nipa na etuatua adwuma no no ɛna ɔmo ɔka no ɛgu na adwuma no anim aso na nyɛ ɛyi mpɛmu a ɛwɔ hɔ bank hɔ na ɛyɛ bank wɔsia no sɛ mo no ɔmo ka paa ɛnura biribi te sɛ makɔ sɛn ne sika na mekɔ sɛn ne no yɛ ɔte ɔte sɛ ɔno ate so ɛna ɛkɔdu yɛ no nipa no ne meka ho asɛm nti wei medu pɛ ɛne ne so kɔka ho asɛm nti mo no ɔmo kasa paa
dabi ukodu amiyanchi tie ukodu amiyanchi no tie onyere tie mami ka asɛm kyerɛ say tie asɛm a woka ne tie me fanuko police station sɛ wokɔ sɛndi sika ɛne nipa no te so deɛ a wabɔ ɔkorɔ no fanuko police station na police for nkye no hello 0302 216545 0302 216546 0302 216545
Asempa FM.
Hello Agbedefu.
Yeah, me tell you
Mr. Major so.
Hey, David, those banks ni amunka mo na Bank of Ghana kokos.
Me dey ha me se mo musika da ho. Enye bank no. Se me musika da ho, wo sika da ho no ma. Emra ne se ye bank a, me wo checkbook a. Tell me tro checkbook, ma me nkyere asemu. Me tro checkbook na, emra ne se as long as me wo sika no, e wo se me sika wo yi ma me.
David,
yes sir.
Sir, I have a bank manager na bank na na say below so head manager ni boa wo. Ana yes sir.
What's it?
Say has a manager ni boa, bank manager ni boa.
Anya bank manager asem na meka. Me se emra wo Ghana. Ye kasa muntie. Emra ne se ye fra bibi se ye banka. Eche se ye gia tum. A wo so odi sika puduo koto. Eche ne be ya asem ba. Ye betime yi su se sika no. E de atuatua deposit sika. And this me will check a bank minka mokululu nema na mokoko ye no.
Oh, ade.
Ah, wo de we be say me ni agbedefu. Ah, we be akwa say me no na me
minister ko go bank.
Anya bank me anam say a bank a agbedefu. A bank a emra ne say de bi abetro check bia no. I will say wo sika no. Say sika wo ma, I will say yi ma. E ho asem na ye ka.
Bank manager no
Agbedefu ja bank manager asem na ja Agbedefu bank manager abai na be chi no enyem na me chi no
but da e back e nipa hine ya chi no
minim eni ada me ya abai
mi wada fo go speeches or bank manager the take camera na check Bank of Ghana camera
and I may say Agbedefu e my bank abai kwachi no nya na me kwachi no the American say mra ne say me a minim sika koto ho no me tro checker e o say di sika ma me. That's what I'm saying. 0302 216545 0302 216546. Share Sasama Yake. A very serious issue. We have laws and regulations. About banking, especially banking. Minka savings and loans. Minka sa microfinance. Minka proper banking. And it's a maybe a depositor. Now nimsika kwa to bank. Now me babeji. Na catch me say, what we need sika mamia. I'm ready. Asama ya kanono. 0302 216545 0302 216546. Hello.
Hello, Blagovi.
Yes, sir.
Within the John, because I feel circle.
John Koso.
Blagovi, Yamisha, and some way I walk far by and Major said, what Boagana for Bilupa. Mekasa, maybe Yari last week at a quality Blagovi. Misika, Papa was in a bango. Now one needs a car. Yes, won't coffee and a scar will copy 1,000 Ghana Blagovi. Or confess Canoe, was first level 4 now for 4. John so far, did it in Sikadaho. No one yes, want to go to me, you know. Now done in a shoe and yarrow war. You know, Casaminiano says, what the fear won't call Emma. Yawa, Boguswa San Hoyare. And decided already, hard paper, Nabragovi. Because I said, oh, quite low or banga. Because I who not the way to make Tia, yet it's hard in Esiano. And the South Bank Bangano, Yenifia, a mind the Bay woman. Yeah, you bet me I did. Customers no esika amawo
and I mention say bank na mrakra kire say
ha
e wo so di sika bi to akwa say security entina say kura no o matum
ha me ka say ku bodo ba o sika bi to say woni say sika na
aha wutimi me bank thank you and it says Canada ho dia Aden
as be customers
thank you
because elipa bebre no mo duro wu sa wo sa ne ma wo hu bra kofi awon kira ba wo ma Ghana ya manfo ntimi nkontimi manyina obi wo hono mo akoji elo na bia wo de akoto adwuma sem ISI ko iska na sa akoto na adwuma so a ye season sika elipa no wo sedem su o bebre come on what do yesterday na go be asem we dey ejiri say wa na obetu ma boss because KANAWU dey asem bia baso a MC enya ne pomasi bre nya mi hira o me da
nya mi hira 0302 hello
na ko fika P2
yes sir opare
that will be
that is saying
nya mi asumje nkan that will be share eno na o kan yesterday commercial bank no and at the Bank of Ghana and I'm paying you juma pony and I decided to be any number. Yes, no, I'm off fool because the Kano Nikunu na money in the Shamanoni and Adia Basan Fire project. I saw the photo. I gained maybe our Pekakra Ewan father. This is the moment I did this year. Our little good and Krofu, a big thing our man coach will do our details on the ticket down or Kakofa. Not the question the bus could be. I had an answer to Kana Bakola. Now, Colana Blaboy Pasa, Papa, so the phone when I don't know, yes, Bank of Ghana, any finance minister on Fan Jim won't propose to come on there, one thing the Uncle Ghana paying for, and the Papa over Fashion Ghana. I go on the strong, yes, yes, to my move. You will be no more dialogue, maybe than 1,001 block of it. It's answer a job day.
Yeah, boy, man, yo. 030.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But what I say?
But the famous of the Vatican town.
Patrick also.
Yamisha Pa, Yamisha Beautiful, and then Judge Free, incoming president, DFP president. I got a fool. Anyway, Obeka, the Bia Mitonka. We are the Pa, Kenya also, you know, Eka, because there was no say, can no matter cost of Ghana, because as you say, way by, or they say, where a pack of him to move. Good up to now.
Me say banks Emra ewo Ghana men's gold the quite of us by me minim but Emra has a bank there who sika koto no ma next ka wo ma wo chro checker o say do sika ma
but minister but so many na say you o mo sika koto because so Ghana for
and I make change but I was say the friends regulator our Bank of Ghana I was say time biano or making sure say me am dem sika koto no no asem bow asem mo me chro checker o say me sika me saka
I know that black penny. I know that we are Ghana, you know.
David, my main cousin, Entina, you see, and some money in see court today. Ghana for Meraso say, you be court. Sadia, you pay Jamaninka, and no Yame Baye, Obinya Mayeno, Munchaso.
Go with me too. Me watch you. Mr. No, to no,
why when you daji yentube Ghana for mo pe bibia shortcut the problem no when I catch you say broni on your okokota wamre thank you yo me tumo for na muntie
yo me do etie yo be etie
yo 0 party me da say 03 0302 me patcho dum radio no kakra why me patcho still have dede dum radio no kakra hello 0302 216 545 0302 216 546 hwe asema yeken ebinimo afa ho ewu ebinimo aware egu ebimma tibio mo sese na nya papa hello
champion capital
yes sir
me pacho we kuja brado na after my brother
kuja koso
capital be bo abafa na djuma pa oboma o my Ghana na me de o my be kwa na ye be piem udu sika to hu opia pui me fa me sika nko bank nso nko pe protection eno so de koto ani nipa bi achedi o be kwa sika ni ho e dey asem na ekoso Ghana he me de Bank of Ghana said yen say so obi ni sika be to bank e wa said yen say o be pay sika na he am oni pa kono ye be say ni manim ya na say Bank of Ghana yen chire because obu ho ani sika won ko nyina na wa sika be to se o si sika ni ko no ono na dia na ono pa mo no problem e dey na ma na ekoso ye ti koma ye ti sika ye won pani fona ke sika ni nyina di ana ye mo ma ye ble no ye so ye de kaka na ma sa fa ka ho e dey na ma na ekoso koma e tani manim ya na say Bank of Ghana e kama tena be afoto beba ebe bi no kwa ayi so mo akon ebi mu kwa wu nti ani mani me ya no mo mpesika no mo na ahoto bra kuma da so baba
0302216545 0302216546 he saa se mu a musika da ho me de maka monko pe lawyer ekuku dam na mu nyina mu nka mom ye brofo kasa ye kind of class action suit na monko sue because se emrane se wo ye bank na mnim sika beto now anytime be a metro check bia no so di misika mame won't mama excuse and the sad na a lawyer for and then crown lawyer for your mobile last week as a last 2 weeks area ho na also moko na munyai corporate nsem na mo ye no this is a case for a class action suit.
Kofi Capital.
Yes sir.
Me den de papa ya o adodo na frame sex mayo am ka se sex my bed any CK bless anymore lago fina what to say
Boko
Queenstown
Asempa
and the man ton kan one pa
so me turn do
o there be no so turn oba so can be fan on
papa ya
okay ya tane pianti what ya say
why ya ho euro ni awo why ya ho euro ni awo
aha
me kwa kan wusi bue man kan wusi bue
oh there be so can because many of you internet ni so o pass o link no what ya say
Martin no problem
aha there be so lunch ya me can say lago fi Ghana for saa hwehwenu mu no aduma na ayeye no ye beja yi nyai number one asemi bai yenia ne ye tritum yenia ne ye se na na dunya no yenia no ye dem so shikwa dai ho ye jana wie ke no tia ya fe dem so dia ba pata Ghana ha se mu ni
papa yaw enye na mo ansem na meka bank there be na mo na onya bank yi na mo ansem frem na mo ansem no me o mo do musika kwa ho no me ntomase nti ni frem yanka bank asem
na bank is no me tumi no e mo wa say up to now o mo ye djuma commercial bank no sa so na ho e mo wa Ghana ha na kasa na odinu ho a blagofi odinu ho o
commercial bank Bank of Ghana
yes Bank of Ghana e mo wa say something for no a mo di eni mu ma say egugu no up to now ye nto we no they don't already some blagofi o ma Ghana pe
abaya ya mi shira
I tell you already
ya mi shira tie for me na ye bre papa na o ye ne sports no abanche o ne de oba ne time de on fe ni agro kra echira ye be san ba beto aso KANAWU ensemfo hin mo so mfo Kofi Capital ma sorry so
Asempa FM